Trick or treat, trick or treat. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have made this spooky little DIY ghost lamp out of clay for the occasion of Halloween. So happy Halloween to everyone. So in order to make this spooky DIY ghost lamp, we need air dyed clay. So I'm mixing those components of air dyed clay. Here I'm preparing a dough. I'm mixing this clay, so I'm giving a smooth texture to this clay because I want to make a cloak out of this clay. That's why I'm giving somewhat circular shape to this clay because I want to make cloak ghost out of it. You need to do just like how I'm doing. As we know that Halloween is a tribute to the ancestors, and the Christians decorate their houses in a horror theme so that no bad energy will come to their house. In our religion, we celebrate a Pitr Paksh, like I am Hindu, so we celebrate Pitr Paksh or Shraddh in order to give tribute to our ancestors. Just like that, Christians believe in Halloween and they give tribute to their ancestors. So it's a good festival. As you can see, our craft is ready. I have prepared eyes and mouth on this clock ghost. I have give white color to this ghost. Now I am preparing pumpkin basket. I'm preparing this candy holder just to give a scenario that in that scenario in this scenario ghost is saying trick or treat, and now I'm giving this candy holder on the hand of this ghost. Now our ghost is ready. As we know that on the day of Halloween, childrens come and ask trick or treat, and people give candies or chocolates to children. That's why I have give this scenario to our ghost. Now for the light part of the lamp, I am using Diwali candle. You can see ghost is now ready. It is having light. So for more DIY craft, you can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Happy Halloween.